How to find your likes on Facebook. In this video, I'll show you how to find all the posts and pages you've liked on Facebook using your phone. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone device. Once you're on the home screen, tap the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Your Activity section and tap on Activity Log. This section keeps a record of your activity on Facebook. Now, tap on Your Facebook Activity, then select Comments and Reactions. After that, tap on Likes and Reactions. Here, you'll see a complete list of the posts, photos, and pages that you've liked or reacted to on Facebook. You can scroll through the list to revisit your activity and even remove reactions if you'd like. This is a great way to quickly find content you've previously enjoyed or manage your Facebook activity more easily. That's it. You've successfully learned how to find your likes on Facebook. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.